What up, YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be replacing the door lock actuator. As you see, I have the new one here. These are broken, as you can see. Snapped. This one did come broken, but there is a little fix I did, which involved epoxy and some super glue. That's what I did, but those are more firm than these. That's from a 2006 350Z rev up, as you see. So you got two screws here, and then you got to take off this whole panel, which kind of sucks. You got to disconnect that connector and take all the screws around the whole thing out. It's a pretty easy job to do. Just take off this panel. This comes out with it, and there is a connector on the motor for the door. So let me take this panel off and show you. Guys, got the new one out. As you see, you could just try to take out the connector and twist it so it goes like this. Just twist it out. This, I used a flathead and pushed it out. The window is a little bit low, but remember, it goes on that. Overall, it's pretty easy, so I'm going to put the new one in. As you see, my invention, when I can focus, you see the black stuff. I know it's not focusing. And that one, I use super glue. They both open. But I also expected that the mechanism inside was going bad on this one. But overall, just put this in and see how it goes. Alright guys, check it out. Door opens and closes perfectly fine now. Windows back to its original position. All those screws are back. Everything's back. Overall, it looks pretty good. So I'm going to put back the door card, and that's pretty much it.